Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small, the unconventional attorney. Today I wanted to talk to you about how to get more PI clients of a certain class. All right, before we get there though, if this information sounds good and you want to learn more, you want to go faster, please go to theunconventionalattorney.com/inner circle. All right. So to set the background, I'm in Kansas City. If you're watching this video, you can see that I'm not in my normal office. That's because I'm not in my normal office. I'm in a hotel room, but I had to make this content while I was here. I had a meeting with a couple of PI attorneys, one that does mass torts, like for real mass torts, and another one that does some like pseudo mass torts, like not the commercials that you see, but there are these other cases out there that have big clients. And if you're a PI attorney, you may know about some of these, like these, I don't know what they call them, like wage and earnings classes or something. But anyway, he just settled a big case, and he was wondering or talking about or looking for ideas on how to get more of those clients. And I wanted to talk to him about this unconventional branding method to do that cheaply, easily, and successfully. And I told him a little bit about it, and I figured, hey, let's go make a video and I'll tell everybody about it. Okay, so here's how it works. So to back up, with unconventional branding, the way it works is you start making content just like this. You teach a concept, you help people out. In the middle, you make an ask. Like if you want to do this faster, go to theunconventionalattorney.com/inner circle. And you just put those out there to the world. You let people self-select based on their own interests. For example, if you have been watching this far, you are either a PI attorney, or you want to be a PI attorney, or you know a PI attorney, or you're just very curious. But it's probably one of those first three or four, whatever. And then you teach them something. You keep talking to them, and hopefully at some point you get some information in front of them that causes them to take action. You teach them enough, you show them that you can help enough, you build enough of a relationship, and it happens, right? That's why I'm here, to help you get more clients, live a better life, do all kinds of fun stuff. And this is a total tangent, but out of that conversation came like 5 video ideas that I want to talk to you about, because there's all kinds of craziness going on. But let's talk about something practical today, right? So with this unconventional branding method, what we're talking about doing is creating content. You're going to put it out on Facebook with a little bit of money behind it, get it in front of people that are likely to want to hear it, and then through this process, create specific audiences of people that watch specific parts of your video, and then present them with offers or present them with opportunities to sign up and become part of the class. So here's the ninja tip part though about it, because you can do that. But what I wanted to talk to you about was a very specific strategy to catch the very specific people that you want. And there's really 2 parts of this, I think. He's got right now a class of people, let's say 1,500, that were part of this first lawsuit. Now, their information is very useful to create what's called a lookalike audience in Facebook. So you can upload some of that information, and what Facebook says is, okay, look, we know all these people, they have all these characteristics, and by the way, they don't look or store their personal information. What they'll say is, okay, we know these profiles, these are their characteristics. Based on that, we'll match them with these other profiles, like 2 million. Okay, so that's the first thing you do, is you create a lookalike audience. Those people are going to be more likely to be interested in this kind of class action, because we're talking about bartenders, servers. There's a whole other group of people, but I can't remember who they were. But anyway, because I don't do that stuff. But what you do is you create a lookalike audience, then you put these videos in front of them, and again, you just let them self-select. But here's the kicker. Here's the coolest part about it. What they did, or what they do sometimes, not to let too much out of the bad of their strategy, there are different restaurant groups, for example, that may have a problem. So what you can do is you can create your videos like this, like I'm doing right now, teach your concept, do your help, and then when you're done, you stop, right? Obviously. And then you go back and you record a bunch of intros. And basically what you do is you say, hey, do you work at Chuck E. Cheese? Do you work at Arby's? And by the way, I'm just making these names. I'm just trying to think of restaurants that I know. Do you work for part of the Smith restaurant group? That one doesn't even exist. And then you're going to put that out. And what you're going to do is then you're going to create specific groups of specific restaurants that then you can create these classes from potentially if there's a problem, right? So that's the real ninja tip. Same thing, by the way, if you're a PI attorney and you want to get car accident clients and you want to get med mal clients, or you want to get, I'm not good at PI, so you would record a piece of content for potentially, and then you would say, have you been in a car accident? You must listen to this, and then you're into content. Have you been hurt in surgery? Boom. Have you been injured on the job? Boom. Right? Whatever. And you just make a bunch of these different similar videos, put them out there in front of different people, and let them self-select, because if they hear, have you been in a car accident? And they have, they're going to listen. If they hear, have you been injured at work? And they have, they're going to listen. Then you suck them into your world, right? You just show them more content, teach them, help them, and everybody wins. All right, so that's my ninja tip of the day. If you like this information, if you want more, you can go faster. Join my inner circle. It's theunconventionalattorney.com/inner circle. All right, that is it. I am Christopher Small. I am the unconventional attorney. If you like this video, hit the like button. I'm like, where am I going with this? If you like this video, hit the like button. If you know somebody that needs to hear it, share it with them. And if you have a question or comment, please leave one. Otherwise, go to theunconventionalattorney.com/inner circle to come and hang out with me and a bunch of other law firm owners that are really just going after it, enjoying life, and enjoying each other's company. That is it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.